Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about froth flotation. It is one of the method of concentration of ore. Okay, as we know that naturally occurring substances found in nature from which we can get the metals are known as minerals, and some few kinds of mineral from which we can get the metal easily and conveniently, you can say economically as well. So those minerals are known as ore. So from ore we get the metal in some steps in which there is a method that is concentration of ore, and in that process concentration we have here a method that is froth flotation. It is used usually for sulfide ores. Okay, so ores are like they can be carbonate ore, they can be sulfide ore. So if we have sulfide ore, usually you apply this method that is known as froth flotation. Okay, so in this method we just take a tank here. So this is a tank. In this tank, before discussing about these things, we should know about the principle of this process. So what is the principle? Principle of this process is difference in the wetting property of ore and gangue particles. So we know that the gangue means the undesirable substances combined with the ore. So to separate that gangue, we should apply this froth flotation, especially in the case of sulfide ore. So the principle of this process is the wetting property of the ore particle and the gangue particle. So here if we take sulfide ore, so sulfide ore is generally wetted by oil, whereas the gangue particles are wetted by water. So this is the advantage we are going to take here. So in this tank we just take oil plus water. Oil plus water we take here in this tank, and through this thing we just put some powdered sulfide ore. So powder sulfide ore we just taken here in that mixture of oil and water, and after that we take a agitator here. So what is agitator? Agitator is nothing but it is a rotating device. By rotating this agitator, we can blow some air in this mixture. Okay, so we can be able to blow some compressed air with the help of this agitator. So after rotating this agitator, there will be the combination of oil, water and the sulfide ore and then air, and after that froth will be forming. Okay, when the froth will be forming here, this froth will start rising up. So they will look like this. Okay, so as we have discussed earlier that the sulfide ore are wetted by oil. So froth, which is combining with the sulfide ores, okay, because water is here, water is below the oil, we know that oil is above the water. So in this water the gangue particle will be dissolved, and here they will separated out in a different outlet, okay, from a different outlet. So here gangue particle will be collected. Okay, so here gangue particle will be collected, and froth which is forming here, which is combined with the ore, sulfide ore, they will take here in this tank and through this tank with another outlet, these sulfide ore are separated. These sulfide ore are separated. So here we can separate the sulfide ore. So as we had discussed in this video, the Froth flotation method, it is basically depending upon the principle of difference in the wetting property of the ore and gangue particles. Okay. So usually we should use this method in the case of sulfide ore. So as we have taken in this tank oil and water mixture, along with that we should apply some powdered sulfide ore here, and with this agitator we should blow some compressed air inside it. After that froth will be forming, and along with the froth the sulfide ore will be collected in this another tank, which is known as settling tank. This is known as settling tank. And through this settling tank the sulfide ore will be collected here through another outlet in this beaker. Okay, so this sulfide ore we can collect here, and the gangue particles which are mixed in this sulfide ore will be collected here in this beaker. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. Thank you.